Hi, do you plan your travel using Google Sheets? Do you use a map to visualize and organize your itinerary? Travel Mapper by Blue Planit seamlessly integrates a beautiful itinerary template and Google Maps along with other features to effortlessly allow you to be 10 times more productive and organized. Color code, map, and filter all your activities, lodging, and points of interest by day and category. Automatically plot your itinerary activities on the map with a single click. Email your itinerary in a simple consolidated format with auto-generated Google Map links for easy navigation during your trip. Craft your perfect adventure with a beautiful itinerary, to-do list, packing list, and favorites list. Export all points of interest from your itinerary to your saved places in Google Maps for mobile-friendly travel access.